In 2002, the Journal of the American Medical Association, or JAMA, turned the medical world on its head by publishing an article that supported the use of vitamins on a daily basis. A quote from this article states, "Most people do not consume an optimal amount of all vitamins by diet alone. Pending strong evidence of effectiveness from randomized trials, it appears prudent for all adults to take vitamin supplements."
This article reflected a major paradigm shift in the way the medical community viewed the benefits of supplements. A snapshot of current supplement consumers might surprise you. 64% of men, 74% of women, 72% of physicians, 86% of pharmacists, 95% of nurse practitioners, and 96% of dietitians. Clearly, the world is responding to this revelation from medical science. Notice that the highest percentage of supplement users are actually dietitians, who are truly the experts on food and nutrition and what goes inside of our bodies.
When we really look at what the nutritional needs were of the population, not only in the United States, but around the world, there's some very important vitamins and minerals that come into play in our health on a daily basis. And we don't generally get enough of those foods in our diet to provide all the nutrients. We live a very high-stress, active lifestyle, and we wanted to make sure that we gave each of our consumers, and it's something that was important to me as well, all of the nutrients that our body needs. Optimum health really comes by having that balance of all of those nutrients and having them in the right ratios to be able to function in the body and maximize what our bodies are capable of doing.
There's many reasons to take supplements, but the most important reason is convenience. None of us have 6 hours a day to maintain a healthy diet. We live in a fast-paced world. We live in a world of excess. We get too much of most things. We get too much pollution. We get too much work. We get too much stress. What we don't get enough of is nutrients.
Introducing Forever Daily with AOS Complex, the most advanced nutrient delivery system available. Our proprietary new formula contains 55 perfectly balanced aloe-coated nutrients, including recommended daily allowances of essential vitamins and minerals, synergistically formulated to provide you the nutrition needed to support optimal health and vitality every day. Forever Daily supports daily energy needs, immune system, proper metabolism, cardiovascular health, bone health, and proper mental activity.
As a nutritionist and as a mom, I'm really excited about the Forever Daily because it really addresses the needs that I have, as well as people like me, working moms, parents, who have a lot of stress in their lives, for example. This is going to really provide that balance that they need to make up the differences of the things that aren't in our diet or that we forget about in our diet because we get super busy. My kids love the Forever Kids product, and the Forever Daily makes that possible for me as well, so that this is targeted to me as an adult with my needs in mind.
Forever's proprietary Aloe Oligosaccharide Complex, or AOS, is a synergistic combination of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and aloe polysaccharides, specifically designed to improve the utilization of essential nutrients by the body.
AOS is the brainchild of the Scientific Advisory Board at Forever Living. It's a marvelous concept because it takes the universal panacea effects of aloe vera and it focuses it into the essential nutrients, the vitamins, the minerals, the botanicals, and it acts as a shelter.
Nutrients in the AOS complex delivery system have high performance characteristics, meaning they are more efficiently absorbed from the digestive system, and in the case of minerals, are targeted to specific body systems.
The AOS system is a delivery system. We want to offload the nutrients. We want to get increased absorption, increased bioavailability. It's a method for sequestering and holding in the correct place all the nutrients and all their transport systems, their sub-transport systems, the amino acids, the organic acids, all the different things that we're putting together.
We are even more excited about the research that shows how when we take Forever Daily along with aloe vera gel, it can increase the bioavailability of certain nutrients by up to 3 times.
A researcher in South Africa took on a simplification process. They wanted to factor out all the variables and say, what will aloe vera do if I take vitamins? And so they gave a group of people vitamins alone. They gave a group of people vitamins and aloe vera, and they found that the people who took the aloe vera with the vitamins had about 3 times the absorption rate. They were able to pinpoint this. Out of all the things that aloe vera has been claimed to do over all the years and in all the cultures, they took this one simple idea and they really opened up the door to how aloe vera works. It's really a synergist. It helps assist other things to do their jobs more effectively.
So that is why we recommend always using the aloe vera gel. We now have our Forever Daily, and wow, what a combination between having the Forever Daily and the aloe as part of that core health that we need.
So have you heard me say many times before, it all starts with drinking aloe vera.
Forever Daily also includes a proprietary blend called FVX20 that contains 20 specific fruits and vegetables that you may not get in your daily diet.
Many fruits and vegetables have colors to them. Those colors actually represent different phytonutrients that are in those foods, and they each have an important benefit to our health. So to make sure that we could include that full range that nature has available to us, we included 20 different fruits and vegetables to maximize that nutritional value that we can get from nature.
Synergistically formulated to provide you truly balanced nutrition, Forever Daily supports optimal health and vitality on a daily basis.
We don't throw the kitchen sink in. We actually take every single ingredient and balance it synergistically with all of the others.
There are 55 nutrients in our Forever Daily, and that seems like a lot, but they are each very, very important to our health. And when we looked at which nutrients to include, we wanted to make sure that we had the right nutrients for our optimum health. And each one of those nutrients in the formula has a specific role, not only in the formula, but plays a specific role in our bodies. And they work together. And it's those small, tiny details that we looked at to make sure that the product is the best that it can be and that all of those nutrients work together.
Only Forever Daily gives you the nutrients nature intended in the right balance to support optimal health.
New Forever Daily from Forever Living Products, the most advanced nutrient delivery system available.